guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that's something you're interested in, I'd love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So today we're going to be doing a skincare test video. I have a super cool skincare device that we're going to be trying out that you can actually use for a lot of different purposes, like cleansing, moisturizing, lifting stuff from the skin, so you can like do extractions and stuff, and that's mainly what I'm going to be doing today. That's why I have my steamer out, and I'm going to be taking you guys through the full test of this and showing you guys the results, close-ups, all of that. So if you want to see extractions or how to use a scrubber, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. We have the instructions here. This is the xoxo Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. This is what this looks like. Let's just open it up. Alright, so it comes with 2 different heads right here, and then here is the actual tool itself. And then we also have the charger. So it's actually super sleek. I actually really like that because it's really nice and thin, doesn't take up too much space for storing. And this is what it looks like. I do like that it actually has a cap. That's kind of nice because you can protect it. And the charging cord is just a USB, so you can plug it into like your iPhone adapter or your computer or anything like that. You turn it on. And there we go. I'm trying to not like blind you guys with the light because it's reflecting into my ring light. So there's 3 modes on here. I'll show you guys a close-up. There's the lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing mode. And then as you click through them, so there's the cleansing. As you can see, it does vibrate on the skin. Then we have the moisturizing mode, a little bit less intensity, but it's slower, but it kind of feels like it's more intense. And then the lifting. Let me grab the instructions here. All right, so the ultrasound is a high frequency mechanical vibration wave, and it can be used for various like cosmetic needs. So at low energy and high frequency, it can produce a gentle resonance effect on the skin, and you can achieve the effect of enhancing cell viability and activating permeability of all of your tissues in your skin. You can also drain sweat glands and shrink pores. So a lot of really great benefits with this. So these little silicone covers, they have the bristle side and then the wave side, and I do believe, oh, it just turned off. That's kind of nice that it turns off automatically if you forget about it. And then we have the wave side, which I believe these are identical. They just come with 2 different ones in case you use one completely. All right, so it says before use, please use a hot towel or facial steamer. I have mine plugged in already to kind of open up the facial pores. Now, when you're saying open up the pores, it's really just kind of loosening the skin up a little bit so that it's easier to do like extractions and stuff. Or you can use this right after like you've had a hot shower, since your skin will kind of have that same effect to it. So with each mode, it does recommend to use some skincare products so that you actually can slide it on the skin better, so we'll definitely try that out. And then it says to obviously clean the device after you're using it, and it also does provide us with some directions of how to apply it. So I'm gonna go take off my makeup, get all the skincare I need for this, and we're gonna get to actually testing this product out. I'm actually gonna get my boyfriend to join me for the testing part, and we're gonna show some close-ups on my skin with the scrubber as well as his, so you guys can get like a different skin type out of this video too. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with a cleansed face, and I just put on a little headband so we can use this, and I'm just gonna take a cotton pad with some rubbing alcohol to disinfect this a bit. So I'm gonna do my skin first, and then I'll get my boyfriend to come on and we'll do his skin. But I'm gonna start off with the cleansing mode. It says to use a facial toner, apply it all the way over the skin, and to tilt the shovel at 45 degrees with the sonic head inside. So before I start, I'm going to steam my face. This is just the Pop Modern steamer off Amazon. I got it like last year and I still haven't used it, so I thought I'd bring it out today. Perfect video to do this. We got the steamer going, so I'm just gonna sit here for like, I don't know, a few minutes. Get my face steamed up. Okay. I'm gonna apply a bit of this Medicube red toner. I just posted a review video on Medicube on my channel if you guys want to go check that out. I love this toner though because it's not drying at all. Turn this on. I'm gonna keep it on the cleansing mode. Let's just start on the nose. Let's just start there. It's like getting oil out. Can you guys see? Let me zoom you in real close. This is kind of relaxing, to be honest with you. Okay, so there's a little bit of like oil and stuff on there. Just gonna take my Bubble Slam Dunk moisturizer. Apply this all over. Maybe let's use the little attachment. I'm gonna go on the moisturizing mode. Honestly, these attachments might be good if you just want like a nice like facial type treatment, because I can feel like the little vibration a little bit, but it's honestly more like a massage treatment, which is kind of nice. So I'm just gonna use this to like lift the face. I can see now how this is like multi-functional. You can really use it to lift. Now let's try the lifting mode and see. Yeah, there's definitely like oil and like little stuff that was just like caught in my pores. Ooh, let's a little bit more. Alright, so here, I'm just gonna turn this off actually. Here's what we got out of my skin. You can see right there. And then even from the other side, just from pressing it on there. So there's that. So it definitely did something. My skin's a little bit red right now. I'm gonna go cleanse it just in case there's anything like right on the surface that I just need to get off. But I definitely think, you know, I did a good job at getting like in the pores and stuff. I'm gonna have to see how my skin feels after. A little bit red, but not sensitive at all. So that's a good sign. So I'm gonna go cleanse my skin a little bit, do my skincare routine, and then we'll get to test this out on my boyfriend. Say hello.
Hello.
What's first?
It's a tough go.
Got some pores. We'll see what this thing can do. Tell me if I'm applying too much pressure. Oh. So, one swipe. Oops. quite a bit of extractions that came out, and they just literally like pop out. We'll do a couple more. Here is everything we got off.
Both sides are bad.
Yeah, and check that out. Thank you for being my guinea pig. So obviously here's the test, guys, of this product. This is the close-up of what we got out. Alright guys, so we just finished up with the scrubber here. I personally really enjoyed this. What did you think?
I was a big fan of it. It got a lot out of me.
Yeah, I think it's like, honestly, I was like hoping today to use it like more for extractions, but I feel like even just as an exfoliator, as a product to kind of cleanse the skin a little bit, get that oil buildup, whatever, off the skin, dead cells, whatever. It's just a really nice tool to have. Personally, I found it pretty relaxing too, like a massage tool. But obviously you guys saw in Tyler, it was like more of a extraction type product, and I think it did its job well. I definitely have to experiment more with it in the future, see how it works more as a long-term item. But for today, I did like it. My skin's a little bit red, but the redness went down already from when I used it, and it will go down even further. And I just personally would prefer a product like this over like a pore vacuum or something that can be potentially damaging to the skin, since it's like pulling on the skin, you could have like damage capillaries or something like that, whereas this, if you don't apply too much pressure, it is just like a vibrating motion onto your face. Yeah, if you guys have tried something like this, let me know. I thought it would just be a cool product to try here and bring Tyler along for the ride. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos on that or more videos similar to this, let me know down below in the comments. I will also have the product link down below if you guys are interested at all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories. You tuck me